So in this video we're gonna look at how to use array destructuring. So what we're gonna do is to have a real life example. So for example, if we say we have pets here and we have two values in here in the array, so let's have like dog, and then the second one let's have a cat. Okay, and for how to do the destruction, we have to call let A and B in here, or S, it doesn't matter, but A and B. And what this A and B will do is it's gonna represent like the index of what the values we have in the array. So then we'll assign that to the name of the array, which is the pet. So this is where the destruction actually happens. So this is actually called destruction assignment. So array destructuring what assignment. And for the how we can call this is just calling individual characters we have in this destruction what assignment. And so we can simply call document.write, and we'll call, for example, A here, we'll print that onto the screen, and we have dog. But if we print B inside, we're also gonna have what, the cat inside. So this is how we can easily do the destruction inside ES6. All right, so what if we want to use the rest operator in our destructuring? We can simply do that. So the rest operator is more or less like the spread operator. So let's say we want to add the rest operator in destructuring. So what we can do is let me add another animal here. So let's say I want to add dog, parrot, cat. Let's add a snake here. Snake. Okay, so we got 3 in here. Now I can call the first index, and the rest I can use a simple spread operator using the rest operator to do that, just like the spread operator with a simple what value added to it. And the same here. Now I can print A here, and I can also print B. But if I print B, it's gonna print the rest of what is inside. But if I print A, let's see on the screen, A will print dog. But what if I print a B? A B will pick everything behind A and then print, which is snake and dog. So this is how we can simply use the destructuring in combination with the rest operator inside ES6. Okay, so what if we want to learn object destructuring assignment? So one, we want to have an object, and then we will have an object destruction assignment. So now let's first have an object. Let's say object here animal, and with the animals I'm gonna assign, I'll assign, let's say, animal names. Yes, something like that. So I'll have the first name, and then the second, let me add, let's say, the age of the animal. So here will be age. Okay, then have to change this. Okay, now let's have in here we're not going to use this the square bracket, but we'll use the curly bracket instead, because we are dealing with object here. So here we're gonna have the name and then the age of the animals, and then we assign this variable to what? Animals. So instead of pets here, let's go this way. Okay, so we are actually destructuring what? Object. So object here. Great. And now we can simply call the name and age, and we should be fine. So if I call name here, it should print the dog. Straightforward. And if I call the age, it should print the age on the screen. So we have studied how to use everything that is got to do with destructuring in ES6. So we've learned array and then object as well. So this too is going to help you in a long way in your future projects.